How to add to a glossary. A glossary is a unit or course dictionary. The glossary can also be called keywords. You can check the spelling, parts of speech, and definitions online or print out the glossary. Students or teachers can add words and their definitions to a glossary. Adding words and definitions to a glossary. Click on the glossary activity in your course. Then click on the Add a New Entry button. Type a concept word or words, which are keywords, and a definition. First, I'll type the keywords. Run-on sentence. Then I'll type the definition. Sentences that lack punctuation. They can usually be fixed with commas, periods, or semicolons. They are usually long sentences. In this box, you could type in keywords to describe a run-on sentence, like grammar, and writing sentences. Finally, I'll click on the Save Changes button. We can see our new entry has been added to the glossary. And we can see that if changes are necessary, we can click on the Edit icon or click on this Delete icon.